Okay, my students, now we're going to go in reverse. Monday, we will review graphing lines and what we're doing today. My doctor wants me to get a test done, so I had to miss school because it's only offered in the morning, but things will be fine, I'm sure. So there's three formulas you need to know when finding the equations of lines. The first one is called slope-intercept. I'm going to abbreviate it. And slope-intercept we use today, y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope and b is your y-intercept. Probably need to remember this, I would think. The second thing you need to know is standard form. Now, standard form is how you want the final answer to look in some cases. Standard form is ax plus by equals c, and different books have different rules, but we'll say a, b, and c need to be integers, meaning no fractions other than 1 in the denominator. Then the last thing is a new formula we haven't used yet. And what they did is they took the formula for slope and they cross-multiplied. So they multiplied this side by 1, and they took the x's and multiplied this side, and they got y minus y1 equals m, parentheses x minus x1, where x1, y1 is a point on the line, and the slope is m. So you need to know those three formulas. Memorize those three formulas. And this is called point slope. And I almost forgot to write that down. Mercy. So it's called point slope because just by looking at this equation, I can see the slope of the line, and I can see x1, y1, which is a point on the line. So, let me get another piece of paper. So, let's focus on slope-intercept in the final form. So, you have to be told how we want the final answer to look. So, let's say I put find the equation of a line. I'm abbreviated equation. Find the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Meaning I want the answer to be y equals mx plus b. So the first problem, I'm going to be given the slope of 4 and the y-intercept 6. So I have three choices. Am I going to start with slope-intercept? I'm given slope and intercept. Oh, yep, that's what I use because that's what I'm given. So I will go y equals the slope times x plus the y-intercept. And since I want the answer in slope-intercept form, I'm actually done. Oh my goodness, that's like 3 points. B. What if I told you the slope is -7 and the y-intercept is 2? Well, I start over. I'm given a slope and an intercept. So am I going to use slope-intercept? Oh, yeah, I am. I'm given a slope and intercept. So it's y equals -7x plus 2. C. What if I'm given the slope, let's say 2, and a point on the line, 1, 5? And I want to find the equation line in slope-intercept form. I'm given a point and a slope. So am I going to use slope-intercept? No. Will I use standard? No. How about point slope? Hey, point and slope. So I'm going to put y minus the y number equals the slope x minus the x number. Now I want to get it in slope-intercept form, so I solve for y. Y minus 5 equals 2x minus 2. Add 5 to both sides. Y equals 2x plus 3. That is slope-intercept form, my final answer. So you start off finding the formula for what you're given, then you move it to the formula it wants you the answer to be in. So let's try another one. D. Let's say I tell you the slope is 6 and the point is 3, 2. So I'm given a slope and a point. So let's go back. Would that be slope-intercept? No. Standard form? No. Point slope? Oh, point slope. I'm given a point and a slope. Yes. So I go y minus the y number. Oops, let me move it up. Sorry. Y minus the y number equals the slope x minus the x number. So now I want to put it in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to distribute the 6 and then solve it for y. So add 2. Get the y by itself because it says I want it in slope-intercept form. Okay, what if I tell you that there's 2 points on the line, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Now, let's see, y-intercept, slope-intercept, no. Standard form, no. Point slope, no. But can I find the slope given 2 ordered pairs? I sure can. Slope is change in y over change in x. I don't know why I put that parentheses there, sorry. 4 minus 2. So the slope would be 5 minus 3 over 4 minus 2 is 2 is 1. So I have the slope and I have a point. I actually have 2 points, but I'm going to pick one of the two. Doesn't matter which one. Now I'm going to use point slope. So y minus the y number equals the slope x minus the x number. So distribute the 1. Now solve it for y. So add 3. Okay. First part done. Got to make the second part. So watch both parts.